guys, and welcome back to our channel. If you're new here and you just stumbled across this video and you're just now meeting me, my name is Cori. I post videos about health and fitness and stuff like that. So if you aren't already, please go ahead and subscribe because that would mean a lot to me, and you know. Alright, so as you guys can tell by the title right here, I'm going to be sharing with you guys what I eat in a day when I'm trying to get in better shape and lean up a little bit. I'm not saying I'm like super out of shape or anything right now, but just, you know, I just want to like improve myself, feel better, perform better in my workouts and stuff like that. And today is actually going to be the first day that I'm trying out intermittent fasting for the first time. Yeah, so if you've been following me on Instagram and YouTube and stuff like that, you would know that I've been dealing with like a little bit of hormonal acne at the ripe age of 23. So it's something that I've never really dealt with before. I think it comes from like trial and erroring a bunch of different birth controls. Don't get me started on birth control because I've been through it. I've been through the ringer with a bunch of different types of birth controls, and I'll save that for another video. Like I was saying, I've had some issues with like hormonal acne on my face and on my back and even on my chest a little bit. So I've done some research on intermittent fasting, and I'm someone who firmly believes in the power of food and how you can use food as medicine to, you know, help your body perform its best. And I've read that intermittent fasting can help regulate your hormones and all of that stuff. And another reason why I wanted to try intermittent fasting is because I don't get hungry in the morning until about noon anyways. So I just thought it would be the perfect fit. And it's also really great if you're trying to tone up a little bit and just get in better shape. It just has lots of benefits, and I just want to try it out for myself and kind of document it here on YouTube so I can help keep myself accountable and just kind of inform you guys on my journey with it. So if you guys have any tips on intermittent fasting, or if you've tried it, leave those down below just so I can have all the information that I can. So what intermittent fasting is basically what it sounds like. You fast for a certain period of the day, and most of that time you're sleeping. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to probably stop eating around 8 o'clock or 9, depending on the day and all that stuff. I just want to stay as flexible as possible, and then probably break my fast around noon or 1 o'clock, depending on when I stopped eating the night before. If you guys want some more scientific research or information, I'm going to leave some scientific journals and stuff down below, and some of the websites that I use to inform myself on intermittent fasting, just so you can have all the information you can and just kind of like the pros and cons and all of that stuff. Of course, everybody's body's different, and I don't know how my body's going to react. I just kind of like to test things out and see what works best for me. So without any further ado, let us hop into today's video. So it's currently 12:33, so I'm going to go ahead and make some breakfast. So this morning I did have water and some coffee, because you can have that while you're intermittent fasting, and I really don't feel that hungry yet. I normally don't feel hungry anyways until this time, so nothing new here. So something that I have been having a lot for breakfast is this chicken sausage from Trader Joe's. It's just a jalapeno chicken sausage, and it's really good, and it's all natural and minimally processed. So love that for me. I also have been having boiled eggs a lot. I know that you can like make them yourself and whatever, but I won't do it. If like I tell myself, okay, I'm just gonna buy a bunch of eggs, like fresh eggs, and then boil them myself, I just never get around to it. So, and then I also have my boiled egg on top of a piece of some gluten-free bread. I have tried literally every single kind of gluten-free bread out there, like at any store, and Trader Joe's hands down has the best gluten-free bread that I've tried. I just think it has the best texture and all that stuff. So gluten-free bread, and then I also have half of this avocado, and I put it on top, so it's just like a nice little satiating breakfast.
So really you ain't gonna hit me back, yeah. Now it's all just you, got me on blast, damn. You're over it, I've been done. We're so toxic, can't get enough. Ooh, I'll go and say it like a mantra. You know what you want, do you?
Alright, so I also just added some little, ooh, rolling around, some black cherries because I need some fruit as well. So here is my breakfast. Very yummy, very yummy. And I literally just eat the sausage like this. And they're so good. So here's my lunch. I mean, breakfast, excuse me. So I'm going to enjoy this, do some work, stuff like that. And I'll catch you guys whenever I eat my next meal. Alright guys, so it's currently 2:05 and I am quite hungry. I just was sitting at my desk doing some stuff on my computer and stuff like that. Yeah, so I'm just going to show you guys what I'm going to make for lunch. Alright, so pretty much every day for lunch here lately, I've been having tuna. This is my favorite kind. It's the Star-Kissed lemon pepper one. I just really like this. Yep, so I'm just gonna mix those two together. And then if you have TikTok, then you know what I'm talking about. I talk about TikTok a lot, but I just really like it, so it is what it is. But I'm also going to have a cold sweet potato. If you know, you know. I know everybody says that, like, I've seen so many videos of girls eating cold sweet potatoes saying, if you know, you know, and then just like eating their cold sweet potato in a car. But basically, there's this girl on TikTok, super into clean eating, and she likes to share ways to, you know, help other people eat more veggies and just eat more like whole foods and stuff. So basically, one of her tricks was just to eat a cold baked sweet potato, and it's really good. The way that you cook it is just really good. So basically what you do is you put it in the oven at 370 or at 350 for an hour, and the way it cooks, it just tastes really good. So I'm going to have that, and then I'm also going to have some watermelon because I've been obsessed with watermelon lately. Alright, so here is my lunch. It's super easy and quick, and I just like having everything just like easy to make because I'm more likely to stay healthy stay eating healthy for a lot longer. Like, I don't know, I just think it's so much easier and convenient when everything is just like quick, fast, and easy and doesn't take a long time to clean up or cook. So that's just what I like to do personally to help stay on track and stay eating healthy and all that stuff. If you haven't tried eating a cold baked sweet potato, you need to, because it's so... Alright, hey guys, so it is a little bit later in the day. It's currently 6:55 p.m. and I am getting a little hungry. So what we're gonna have tonight, let me show you. So this is something that Jack and I like to do every once in a while just because it's easy and fun and really good. Is we like to make little homemade flatbread pizza. This is the flatbread that we use. It's from Trader Joe's, obviously. If you can't tell, I'm kind of obsessed with Trader Joe's. I just think everything from there is just really good. So this does have gluten in it. So the whole reason Jack and I wanted to try going gluten-free and stuff was because Jack was having some like gut issues. But anyways, I was just trying it for my skin and stuff. But having a little bit here and there isn't that bad. Like we don't really get, like we don't have like an allergy to it, but I think we're both just like a little sensitive to it, so a little bit here and there doesn't really bother us.
Looking for myself, I'm staring at my shadow. Am I gonna be safe in getting through tomorrow? When I throw me down, you could lead me to the side. You still raising me up, but when I look aside, she guides me with a sign and light of me. It ain't over, it ain't over, it ain't over, it ain't over.
So these are the first two pizzas. So these are the ones with just the pizza sauce base, and this one's Jack and that one's mine, and I'm going to make two more. We only have one baking sheet, so I have to do them like separately. And I normally just put them in the oven for like 15-ish minutes just so everything can like melt and like come together. And most of the time I will put chicken on there, but I don't have any chicken on me, I just realized. So whatever, it's fine.
I'm not
Alright, so these are just the barbecue flatbreads. Normally I would add chicken, like I said, but we don't have any, so, you know, it's fine to have a meal here and there without some sort of meat in it. Like, you know, I was vegan for like 2 months, so you don't need it to survive. So we're going with the vegetarian kind of dinner tonight. So on mine, I just did the flatbread, and then this is the barbecue sauce that I use. It's sugar-free, and you can get it at Walmart, and I think it's really good. I like the hickory one a little bit better than the honey one, but anyways, really good. So I have the barbecue sauce on mine, 2 different types of cheese, onion, spinach, and then some cowboy caviar salsa, because this is like, so this is from Trader Joe's too, shocker. This has like a really nice sweet and spicy flavor to it. Yum! So this is the first pizza. I just put the other ones in the oven. Look how good this looks. I can't wait to eat them. Here are the barbecue ones. I just topped it with some fresh avocado.
Free shavakadu! Free shavak!
And now we're going to eat. Alright, so every night I always have some sort of dessert, whether it be like a glass of red wine or chocolate or both. Tonight I'm just gonna have some chocolate, so I'm just gonna have 2 of these dark chocolate peanut butter cups. They're so good. I keep them in the fridge and they're nice and cold, and so I'm gonna have these and watch Harry Potter Deathly Hallows Part 1, 8:05. So after I eat these, I'm going to start my fast, you know, and then break it tomorrow at noon. So thank you guys so much for watching today's video. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you aren't already, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to go outside and do something that makes you happy today, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!